Have you ever put the wrong foot into the wrong shoe or the wrong hand into the wrong glove? Well, it just doesn't work, right? And that's because our hands and our feet, they're actually mirror images of each other. Now, what does that have to do with anything? Well, molecules, a lot like our hands, can actually exist as mirror images of each other. And one such example of this is thalidomide. Now, thalidomide was a morning sickness drug that was sold to pregnant women in the 1960s. Now, thalidomide was sold as a mixture of both of the molecules that make it up. And a lot like our hands, these two molecules are mirror images of each other. So, what was the issue? Well, both molecules didn't have the same effect. Whilst one helped women with their morning sickness symptoms, the other one actually led to the babies being born with deformities. Now, what's apparent here is the fact that what would have been important in cases like this, when we've got two mirror image molecules, is to separate them so you don't have them together anymore and you have them apart. But what happens to the one we don't want? Well, we end up throwing it. But that's wasteful, right? What if there was a way we could use the one we didn't want and to turn it more into stuff we do want? Well, what if we used avocados to illustrate this point? Well, you want to make some avocado on toast, right? Well, what do? You cut up your avocado, you remove the stone, you throw the stone in the bin, and then you use the avocado, right? But what if instead of throwing the stone, we plant the stone, we water it, we give it everything it needs, we give it the sunlight? Well, that plant will eventually start giving us more avocado. We have recycled that stone that we didn't want, that we wanted to throw, into something useful, into more avocado. Well, that's what my project's about, except not with avocados, with molecules, turning what we don't want into more of what we do want.